This is a video inspection of the Crest OC4-1622-HE parts cleaning system. This machine is set up with a robot transfer. It's also set up with a light guard, and it'll stop the machine if you pass through it, which can be disconnected if you decide not to use it. It has a loading table. It also has an unloading table with sensors. Ultrasonic generator. This system is set up with 2 generators for the wash tank only currently, but it's already cabled for the tanks number 2 and number 3. If you wish to add generators, all you need to do is buy the generators and plug them in. If you look back down over here, you'll see the generator cables are already in place. This is the control panel. It has plenty of length of cable to be moved around. I'm going to open the door. This is the serial number of the machine. Okay, you can hold it. I'm just going to show it a little bit. This is the inside of the control panel. It's extremely clean. This was, I believe, in Johnson & Johnson in a clean room environment. Okay, I'm going to walk around the machine. This is the side of the robot. We have it blocked for spacing, but it'll be permanently based in your shop. Can you open the air dryer? This is air operated, and you can see the inside of the tank with the overflow. This is the robotics track. Back side of the drying tank. Cabling system. Okay, we're going to demonstrate the movement of the arm. This is set up and programmed from left to right. It's going to have to go over a little more. About 4 inches. That's good. These hooks are designed for a number of different style of trays. We do have some extra baskets that do not come in with the machine but are available. I'll show you those at the end. That's good. Once set up in a program, these arms can be set up to be a single delivery to the bottom of the basket into the tank, or it can also be set up to oscillate up and down and while holding the basket and then settle. And what am I listening to there? That's the Ultrasonic. You can hear them in good shape. They sound very solid. So that's the main functionality of this machine. This is the control panel. Function control. And you can see that this is the drying station. You want to bring me back to the main station? Or let me just go through it here and I'll take you back. I'll bring you back over there in a minute. This is the underside. You can see it's extremely clean. You can see some of the piping has been disassembled for cleaning. And these are set up with tanks 1 on a 10 micron filtration, and in the rinse cycle setup is a 1 micron filtration. And the tank 3 is a 1 millicron filtration. We do have all the manuals. This is the instruction manual, the OEM manual, another set of instructions for the process controller, and the R&D Specialties RO controller. This is the main control, and this is the main screen on the PLC. Into the cleaning for the different processes, into the engineering screen, and then the functions of stations 2, which is the first wash, then rinse, followed by a second rinse, followed by a drying station in station 5. The system considers station 1 the loading station, and station 6 is the unloading station. This is the Rigibot screen for manual operations, and then into the auto programming. And you can set up your processing times for the different stations. And you can see dwell time, US time, OSC in time, OSC out time, and also there's a drip cycle if you want to let it drip clean. Oscillation. And you can see as the stage changes from station to station. Back to the engineering screen. It allows you for system parameters, transfer levels, drops, so it doesn't have to go all the way up, down. Back to the engineering screen where we talk about processing. This is the process parameter screen. Temperatures, alarm sets. So it's very user friendly. And then that's it. The sequencing, the Bridgebot station sequencing, and you can see this is how you set them. You can also go back and forth from a clean, from a wash to a rinse, back to a wash, back to a rinse if it's necessary. Okay. This does conclude the inspection, operational inspection of the Crest OC4-1622-HE. For an additional cost, there are 4 baskets available. This basket style can be fitted with holding devices. And this basket style is 11.5 inches wide by 17.5 inches deep, and height-wise 10 inches of usable space. We do have customers using different fixtures. They also make them out of 3D as well as other stainless steels. And these are available for $150 each.